Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your first computing class of week number 14. Okay. So, in today's class, we will be starting with a new topic that is, and the topic name is Green Flag Means Start. Okay. Okay. So tell me, where other beside computer, beside on internet, where else green color means start or move? Yes. Can you think of anything else? Very well done, Alize. Traffic lights. When the traffic light turns to green color, this means that move right away, right? And we have discussed it in our social studies class. Very well done. Okay. So similarly, if we talk about the scratch, in scratch as well, green flag means start, right? When you will click on that flag, this means that the scratch will start moving. Okay. Okay, so this is the name of the topic, and under this heading we will be discussing a lot of things. So we will be start with what is a program, what is program made up of, and what is the meant of this green flag. Okay, so we will be starting with the reading of your book, page number 54. I want all of you to please open this page. Hurry up. Okay, let's start with what is a program. Well, we have already learned about what is a program, right? Like we discussed in our previous week, that like when you want to go somewhere, you make a program for that, right? You make a plan for that. Let's say, and I told you that there are some steps involved in it, starting from the idea which came in your mind till the execution of that plan. There are series of functions or series of steps that you carry on, right? And then we execute that plan. And then we talked about the computer programs as well. I told you that if we talk about different types of programs now, the computer programs can be the different types of softwares, the different types of games that you play, the video games, right? Then we talk about the different types of programs and the software that we install in our computer to watch videos, to listen to the audios, for painting and different types of apps, right? So all of these programs, they also go through a type of process, a series of process, and then it becomes available for you, or you can run that program, right? Now, if we talk about the programs, if some of you have seen somebody installing any program or anything in your computer, you might have seen that there comes an option. There is this box in which it says that run the program, right? You are supposed to install something, you are installing an app, you are installing any player, right? So it says that run the program or install. When you click on that, it install the or run the program in your computer, and then there comes a voice from the processor of your computer as well, right? So that is the basically program, and the program is not meant in a day or in a minute. It is a prolonged process. It involves huge different types of steps, and after going through all of those steps, we come up with a program, right? So now let's start with the reading of that. In your book, it says that a program means some instructions, right? Basically, a program is something, some instructions. The instructions tell the computer what to do. Let's say when you install something, the program give instruction to your computer that what the computer is supposed to do, right? So look at the screen. In the middle of the screen is a program. Now look at the screen. In the middle of the screen is a program. The program is made up of blocks. Now there are certain blocks in it, right? Now this is the scratch page that I have already shown to you, and in the center of that we have multiple blocks. The blocks are shapes that fit together. Now these blocks are basically shapes that fit together. You have seen that the shapes, they are not similar. From one side we have an end, from one side we have an edge, from one side they are, right, there is a curve. So the blocks are basically the shapes that fit together, right? Each block makes the computer do one thing, and when you click on one block, when you press enter, every block make certain change in your computer, right? Because every block has a function. Now this block tells the computer to start the program, and when this flag, this green flag, when this comes, this will give the instruction to your computer that please start it. Okay, so it has a green flag on it, and you can move the blocks and fit them together. And you have this opportunity, you have this option that you can move the blocks and you can fit them together, you can bring them together, right? Okay, so So, like in all other programs which we have a program in computers as well, and all of the programs are basically the instructions that we give to computer to work. The instructions can be different. That let's say, and the instructions can be dependent on for which thing you are installing that program, right? Let's say if it's a game, if we talk about the IGI and different games, the famous video games, you have seen that there are different characters in them, there are different scenes in them. If we talk about a driving game, a car racing game, there are different cars in it. You have multiple options that you can change the color of the car, you can change the look of the car, you can change the path for you, you can change the right, you can change the day and night for you. So all of these things are basically the functions, and all of these things are installed in your computer with the program, right? So that you can make changes in it. So all of these things collectively or combined make a program. Got it? Okay, class. So any confusion, anything that you want me to explain again? No, everything is clear. Okay, great. What I want you is that do revise this lecture at your home and do read the topic as well, inshallah, in tomorrow's class, because that is our practical work day. We'll be practicing this on the scratch. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. Okay. And do revise what we have learned so far about scratch and practical work as well. Because if you will not revise the previous work, you will not be able to learn the next one. And let me know if you have any confusion. Okay. So I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.